Here's the back of the Volkswagen bus. You can see it's pretty well frozen up. The Carmen Ghia is just buried in sleet, as well as a complete layer of ice. You can see the icicles along the bottom of the deck lid, as well as in the license plate recessing mount. Windows are completely frosted over. Somebody's scraping ice and snow, you can hear them. Icicles are just hanging off everything. The sheet of plastic I put here before I replaced this windshield is still in place. Let's see if we can get this door open. I tried the doors to my Nissan 350Z earlier and they were pretty well frozen shut. No, this door is not locked. There it is. It was actually frozen shut. And there's a little tiny drip somewhere in here. I wanted to see if there was any icicles or anything ridiculous going on, but I don't see any. But the little drip that's down there did cause some ice to pool up on the floor. This is the hole I need to patch. I did that side over there. You can see it's all fixed up. And this is what's next on the project to-do list. See, hope this thing closes. It did. Oh, the ground is all crunchy. This tree came down. Don't know if it's broken or not. Ow. It doesn't appear to be broken. But it's pretty well weighed down from all the ice and snow. It's actually stuck to the top of the Volkswagen. That opened. And a little drip up here too. I just stuffed a bag in it to try to slow it down. And yeah, there is a little bit of an icicle dripping off the plastic bag. Dripping down in there somewhere, but looks like that's dried up. Wow, just completely iced up. This is Florida, just a reminder. Yes, I know, blah 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 blah. It's always colder somewhere else. See, all the icicles hanging off. Trees are creaking out here. There's a sheet of ice on everything. .65 bug. One window doesn't roll up all the way. The regulator's actually busted. So that's what we're stuck with. But, whoopsie. Yeah. It's probably also frozen shut. No, it opened. That wasn't that bad. And the ice nor the water gets into this thing, though. Unless it rains completely sideways, it hasn't gotten wet inside yet since I brought it home. Yeah. It's just buried. We're expecting another 12 to 14 hours of this. All this ice is supposed to turn into snow. And then sometime tomorrow afternoon, it should stop completely. But we'll see. I don't see a whole lot of ice on this side of the trees. That's interesting. Wonder why. Maybe the wind blows the other way and it caused the other side to get wet. Check this water. Make sure it's still running. Looks like a yes. We're Still got running water over here, so the pipe's not frozen. Got another tap over here. This one is starting to slow down. That's got me concerned. Let's go ahead and open it up. It was flowing much better before, so it is starting to freeze a little bit. Some of that warm water in the pipe should defrost it some.